Keep them busy, Leon. Hope there's a lead on Luis here. This could use some cleaning. Flame. Am I pretty? What have we here? I bet they took him here.
There is no escape. Enough of this.
Still after me, huh? Looks like I gave them the slip.
Some new good welcome. Got some rare things on sale, stranger. Why not try your hand at a new gun, stranger? Might save your life. Will that be all then? You have a ticket, do ya? Nice. Choose a weapon, stranger, and up.
Got something. Must be the big guys.
¿Dónde estás? welcome. Ooh, what you buying? Well done, stranger. All yours. I'll keep a lookout for items that suit your needs.
Hope he's down here. Not good. Not a soul in sight. These belong to Luis. Did Luis do this? Is this his frequency?
I knew you'd find me.
That's my job. Are you about ready to hand over the amber?
There's a big house just outside the village past the windmill. You know it.
Yeah, I know it.
Then I'll meet you here. I'll be waiting.
Sorry, Luis. It might be a while.
Having a bad day?
Wesker, to what do I owe this pleasure?
Stop wasting my time, Ada. Find Lewis. Fetch me the amber.
I should probably thank you for this room. Are you staying? To back me up?
I'm not here to babysit you. See that you remain an asset and not a liability. I have absolutely no use for your incompetence.
Easy with the threats, Wesker.
Just get it done. I'll be in touch.
You're okay. I've been waiting and you're still coming, right?
Yes, just had some business to attend to. I'm on my way now.
Got it. See you soon. Ciao.
Just my luck.
Got some new wares, stranger. You're in for it. Welcome. I still have some new items. A deal well struck. Easy work. There you are, as you wished. Try that on for size. Come back any time. Welcome. Got some rare things on sale, stranger. Got a selection of good things on sale, stranger. You can't go wrong with that. Pleasant travels.
I was afraid of that.
Te vamos a romper. ¿Pero qué coño?
You are a popular one, Luis.
Sorry, big guy. Can't let you go that way.
What the hell is that? That did the trick. Only a matter of time before it wrecks the place. Now stay down. Sweet dreams.
Hey, got a smoke?
I do. The kind you like. Now where's the amber?
Fortunately, it's not on me at the moment. And you really should be telling me what a good job I did. Busted my ass and managed to hide it right before I got caught. Which is why I'm still alive.
The deal was, we get you out of here when you deliver the amber. No amber, no protection, Luis.
Such a stickler for details, huh, Ada? Okay, then. I'll go get it now. How about that? And I do have something else I need to get, too. Ada. You probably didn't plan on coming back here, eh? Well, plans do change, no? Are you angry? You're angry. There is this one thing I must do before I can recover the Ember.
Before. This is not a negotiation, Luis, so choose your next words carefully.
Whoa. Listen, there is someone who needs my help. You know me, always the good Samaritan.
Let me guess. Leon?
Yes, exactly. Leon and that young woman, they're both infected. They need this medicine. It slows the infection, and I know it works. I used it. On myself. So,
Why does this matter to me?
Because you two are infected. It's what I researched for all these years, Ada, and I see the symptoms already showing in your eyes. You must already feel the effects, eh? The medicine will stop them for a time. Just trust me. You have a lot to gain and nothing to lose.
Okay, but this is your last chance. We do this first, and then the amber.
I'll let Leon know. Hola, Luis here. You guys still around?
Go home, but Ashley just had to see this castle first.
Perfect, because I have a present I want to give you. Medicine that will help to suppress the progress of your problem.
Where do we go?
Let's see. Come to the courtyard inside of the castle. We can meet up there. Ciao. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. Shall we? There's a hidden laboratory downstairs. My stuff should be there.
Along with the suppressant?
What would I do without you, Ada?
Be parasite food? Guess we'll find out.
Mierda! Ada, they're here!
Of course they are. Understood. Here we go.
no, no! We can't let the medicine be destroyed!
Luis! Let it go! Luis! You're serious? Luis! Get back here! Don't inhale the smoke. If you're trying to kill yourself, can you do it after you've delivered the amber?
It's all gone. Burnt to nothing.
Why is this so important to you?
There are things I must set right. But that is impossible now. It's all over, and I can't help them anymore.
Pull yourself together, Luis. Make more. You know how, just do it.
Yes, it is possible. The ingredients are all here, in the castle. Yes, I need time, but I can still get you your amber.
All right then, let's go.
We can go back up this way, then figure out our next move. This way. Hey, who are you working for anyway?
You're better off not knowing. Trust me.
Well, you can work for the devil for all I care. As long as you get me out of here. Oh yeah, I'll unlock the... Huh? Where's the key? I must have tried. Okay. Won't be my finest effort, but it might just work. Ada, find these ingredients. And just maybe I can make a new batch of medicine. Time's not our friend. You go. Find them, and I will go grab the amber. Wish me luck. This is where we part. Good luck.
Likewise. All right, first, bindery.
I reserve some items. Just welcome, stranger. I've got something, a deal well struck. Give that the care it deserves, mate. Will that be all, then? All yours, stranger. What's that? Oh, come back anytime.
A raccoon. Guess this is fate. How elaborate. The first ingredient should be in this room. That must be the ink.
You can stop right there, Leon. Wouldn't make me use this, would you?
Well, after 6 years, that is one hell of a greeting, Ada.
You don't seem surprised. Interesting.
Try using knives next time. Better for close encounters.
Not a bad move. Very smooth.
So who are you working for this time?
Oh, Leon. You know I don't work and tell. Leave the girl. She's lost no matter what. You walk away now, and who knows? Maybe you'll live to meet me again. And then I might get you that greeting you were looking for.
You think I'm gonna give up that easy?
Right. How about we continue this discussion another time? See you around, Leon. The gate and gong have the same symbol. Seems simple enough.
got a bad feeling about this. Who comes up with these things? Okay, now for the second ingredient. Looks like something goes here. A trap. I think I know what's coming. Thought so. All right, one ingredient left.
I've got some new items in stock. Welcome. I got something new for you. A deal well struck. Will that be all then? You can't go wrong with that. I'll keep a lookout for items then. Suit your needs, eh? Welcome. Came into some other bits and bobs too, mate. Information. Now go and cause some mayhem, eh?
Okay, Luis. That's 2.
Last one should be in a room accessible from the castle wall. You bring them all to the top of the wall, and I'll have your amber. Oh, and here's some more info I've recovered about that old rock. Sending it now.
Couldn't just let me through, could you?
That voice.
Here, catch.
Finally. Glad that's over. Now, where are the others?
Ahí está.
That should do it.
last ingredient's not far now. That sound. That's right. I still have some unfinished business to take care of.
So, what's become of the Amber?
Sorry, nothing yet. But my little helper is creating quite the commotion. Everything will work out just fine.
As long as you can keep your dog under control.
He's a good boy. Predictable.
Fine. Keep your mutt. But don't come crying to me if you get bit.
Leon, changed your mind yet?
Yeah?
Assuming you haven't, I've got a tip for you. Seems like something big is about to go down in the throne room. Babysitting's tough, huh? I should check below. This must be the collection room. Blue butterfly. Interesting. Got everything you need.
Good. I got exactly what you want. Oh, that's not good. The parasite is reacting to the amber.
So that's the amber. That looks like something Wesker would want.
This will knock out the parasite. But only for a time. You ready? A tu salud. Just remember, it's not a cure. We still need to find a way to get that thing out of you.
It's coming.
I don't understand. It should be working by now.
Take the amber and go. Once the parasite is sedated, you can give me back that damn stone.
I can't leave you here. Not like this.
Spare me. I'll be fine. You got another promise to keep.
All right. But you come find me as soon as you're done here.